Hey Pete, how you doing? Ken here. Just wanted to shoot you this quick video on how to attach videos and images in your emails using your iPhone. And it starts right now.
All right, here we are. First thing we need to do is open up your mail, which mine happens to be in the bottom right-hand corner. Click on that button. Again, on the bottom right-hand corner is Compose, which is the square with the little pencil there. Hit that button there. Press it to the person you want. Here's a bonus for you. And one of the things I like to do a lot of, which is very simple, gets my fingers off the keyboards and also is very efficient when it comes to typing and composing your emails. And one of the things I like to do is speech to text, which is the little bottom right hand icon again. Quick tutorial. Hey Pete, comma, new line. Here is a quick tutorial on how to add images and videos to your email. Period. New line. Blessings, comma, new line. Ken. So if you notice, I'm scrolling up and down on here, which is the body of the email. And then you have the keyboard right below that. And right below the first, you have a bunch of icons. And the second one in is what is two images or landscape images. That's how you attach video. The next one is basically if you want to take a picture. So you can literally be composing an email and say, hey, I want to take this picture that's right here, right now, and it'll insert it into the email. The next one is adding a document that you have on your phone. The next one after that, which is the second to the right, is a barcode reader. And the last one, which is the farthest right, is you can actually draw with your finger on your email or an image or something like that. But we're going to be looking at the second to the left, which is the icon for images. Click on that button, and you'll notice if you put your thumb on your images and scroll up, you got access to all your photos and images within your image gallery. And I'm going to just send you this image that I sent you yesterday and the video also. So you'll notice that the movie that I made of Luke jumping on the CrossFit box, and then the do-it-yourself CrossFit box that I made for him yesterday image right here. So the next thing you know, or next thing you do is just slide down. And if you want to send it, what you do is, of course, hit that blue button with the arrow facing up, and that sends your email with the attached images and videos. So that's it. And if you have any quick questions or tech tips that you need to be answered, feel free to give me a call or shoot me off a text message or even shoot a video and attach it in your email. That would be so cool. Anyways, I'll see you later from the Macmillan compound here in good old Fall River, Massachusetts. I'll talk to you soon, Pete. Take care.